In this video, I'll show you how to change your profile picture on TikTok in 2024. So you've recently downloaded TikTok in 2024 and you want to know how to change the profile picture, then let me show you how it's done. So before you begin, first go to your app store, search for TikTok and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. Now to change your profile picture, go ahead and tap on Profile at the bottom right. Now once you're on your profile page, go ahead and tap on Edit Profile. Now on this page, you're looking for Change Photo, so go ahead and tap on that. Here this will give you an option to take a photo using your camera, upload a photo, or view the photo you have. If you don't have anything set, you won't have this option. So to set a profile photo on TikTok, go ahead and choose any of these two options, take a photo or upload a photo. So we'll go ahead and tap on Take a Photo. Now we'll go ahead and use the forward-facing camera. Go ahead and take a picture. Now if you like this photo, go ahead and tap on Use Photo. If you don't like it, go ahead and tap on Retake. For now, I'll go ahead and tap on Use Photo. And now this will give you what your profile photo will look like. Using your finger, you can go ahead and zoom in or zoom out of the photo, depending on what you like. Down below here, it'll ask you if you want to post your TikTok profile photo. If you want to do that, go ahead and leave that tick. If you don't want to do it, go ahead and untick it and then tap on Save. Now your profile photo has been saved. To view it, go back to your profile page. And as you can see, you'll see your profile picture updated just above your username. And there you go. That is how to change your profile photo on TikTok in 2024. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.